Hello friend, how are you? I am Advocate Gaurav Kumar Gupta. I am BA Finance and Chartered Accountant and PhD holder. My project Derivative Market Future Trend Analysis. आज हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वो दिल्ली हायर जुडिशरी सर्विस से रिलेटेड। यह क्वेश्चंस बार बार आते हैं दिल्ली हायर जुडिशरी सर्विस और एपीओ के एग्जामिनेशन में। पहला क्वेश्चन है इट वाज एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन द पार्टीज दैट नो इंटरेस्ट विल बी पेड ऑन द अमाउंट पेबल टू contractor under the contract dispute and difference between the parties in accordance with arbitration clause in the contract were referred to arbitration under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. The arbitral tribunal find amount to be due to the contractor makes award from the said amount together with interest at 24% per annum from the date of entering upon reference till the date of award. The award to the extent awarding such interest. पहला आंसर होगा इसका इज लाइबल टू बी सेट असाइड अंडर सेक्शन 34 ऑफ द सेड एक्ट। क्या होगा? सेक्शन 34 के अंतर्गत इसे यह सेट असाइड कर दिया जाएगा, यह रद्द कर दिया जाएगा। द लायबिलिटी, सेकेंड पॉइंट आता है the liability of the individuals, the liability of the individual co-partner in a decree against the Hindu Undivided Family HUF carrying business. इसका आंसर होगा is to the extent of their share in the assets of the state joint Hindu family. A तीसरा पॉइंट में A is entitled to succeed to an estate on the death of B, B dies, she having received information of B's death prevent the information reaching A and thus induce to sell him his interest in the E estate. इसका आंसर होगा the sale is voidable at the option of A. A Hindu on 2nd January 2060 dies intestate, leaving a wife, two unmarried daughter, and a son of his wife from earlier marriage. His estate will be inherited. इसका मतलब हो जाएगा, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा इन थ्री पार्ट्स विद the wife and two unmarried daughter getting 1/3 share each and the son of wife for earlier marriage not getting a share. A mortgager in position of mortgage property. A mortgager है, इसकी पोजीशन क्या है? प्रॉपर्टी मॉर्गेज है। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू द कंट्ररी इज इंटाइटल्ड टू मेक ए लीज therefore binding on the mortgagee provided the lease is made in the ordinary course of management of the property. A best rent that can be reasonably obtained